I have something I want to ask you.
Go on.
Our teacher taught us in class that we can use one stone to kill two birds. Is it possible?
It's true. What are you trying to do with the stone?
I want to use this stone to kill those two birds up there.
It has nothing to do with killing bird. It's an idiom, it's not an action word. It simply means accomplishing two things at the same time. Native speakers use the idiom all the time and has never thought of killing birds. By the way, I thought your teacher could have explained this to you when he's telling you about using one stone to kill two birds.
He explained.
Then why are you asking me?
I forgot.
What were you thinking? A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.